Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, I'll be talking about 5 reasons why you should get a Amazfit Balance 2. This device strikes a perfect balance between elegance, functionality, and power. With a price tag of around 300 US dollars, it sits in that sweet spot between Amazfit's rugged outdoor lineup and their lifestyle-focused, affordable wearables. So in this video, I'll be breaking down my top 5 reasons why Amazfit Balance 2 is absolutely worth buying. Let's jump right in. The Amazfit Balance 2 looks and feels like a true premium smartwatch. It features an aluminum alloy frame paired with a fiber-reinforced polymer case, giving it a perfect mix of sophistication and durability. It's lightweight too, coming in at just 43 grams, making it super comfortable for all-day wear. And here's a nice bonus. It comes with two straps right out of the box. You get a standard black one for everyday use and a bold orange one if you want to add some flair. The overall design language is clean, minimal, and classy. It's a smartwatch that easily transitions from the gym to the boardroom without looking out of place. Moving on to the display. This is where the Balance 2 really shines. You're getting a stunning 1.5-inch AMOLED screen with sapphire glass protection, giving you sharp visuals, great colors, and solid scratch resistance. The resolution clocks in at 323 ppi, so text and graphics look crisp and detailed. The display has a max brightness of 2000 nits, which makes it bright enough for outdoor use, whether you are out for a run or just checking notifications in direct sunlight. The watch faces also look incredible, with plenty of customization options available through the Zap app. It's a screen that genuinely feels flagship tier. Vibrant, smooth, and easy on the eyes. Moving on, I want to talk about a unique feature of Amazfit Balance 2, a feature that is not available on any other watch in the Amazfit lineup. It has a dedicated, fully featured golf app. We're not talking about a simple swing tracker. We're talking access to data from over 40,000 golf courses worldwide. You can download your course to the watch and see distances to the front, middle, and back of the green. It shows you hazards and even helps you track your swing metrics. This is the kind of dedicated functionality you would normally have to buy a separate, expensive golf-only watch to get. The Balance 2 is an all-around health and fitness powerhouse. It supports over 170 sports modes, automatic workout detection, and advanced health tracking features. You get one-tap measurement for your heart rate, blood oxygen, stress levels, and breathing rate, all analyzed through Amazfit's advanced biotracker sensors. The Balance 2 is also certified for free diving and scuba diving up to 45 meters, which is incredible for a non-rugged smartwatch. And then there is a built-in barometer, altimeter, and thermometer sensors. And you've got a good device that's as capable outdoors as it is in the gym. You get advanced sleep tracking that monitors your stages, breathing, and even naps. You get stress monitoring, meditation modes, and of course, all-day heart rate and blood oxygen tracking. The data syncs seamlessly with the Zap app, giving you detailed insights into your overall wellness. And now finally, the fifth reason is the battery life and practicality of this watch. Inside the Balance 2 is a 658 mAh battery, which delivers seriously impressive endurance. In my testing, with always on display on during the day, 24/7 health monitoring, and GPS usage mixed in, I was able to get about 7 to 8 days on a single charge. Light users can easily stretch that to beyond 10 days. Charging is quick and simple thanks to the magnetic charging dock that snaps right into the place. It's the kind of a watch you charge once a week and forget about. A huge plus for anyone coming from daily charging smartwatches. The Balance 2 also includes dual speakers for clearer calls and better audio playback. It has a 32 GB of internal storage for music and apps, and Bluetooth headphone support for phone-free listening. The Zep App Store is also pretty robust. You'll be able to find an app for your every need or a third-party app for things like Spotify. These thoughtful touches make it not just a fitness tracker, but a fully featured smartwatch built for everyday life. So there you have it, my top 5 reasons why Amazfit Balance 2 deserves a spot on your wrist. It's beautifully designed, packed with smart AI features, loaded with advanced health tools, and offers excellent battery life, all wrapped in a premium package that feels way more expensive than it actually is. For around 300 US dollars, this watch delivers serious value for money for people who want a smartwatch that blends style, intelligence, and performance effortlessly. That's about it from this video, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.